I bet you didn't know about these must-have gadgets of 2024. Let's dive in. First up, we've got the Solar Book. This e-reader charges itself using solar energy, so you can read endlessly without worrying about batteries. Perfect for those sunny beach days, right? Next, check out the Smart Mug 3.0. It keeps your coffee at the perfect temperature all day long. Plus, it syncs to your phone, letting you control it with just a swipe. Morning Coffee just got a tech upgrade, and for all you fitness buffs, meet the FlexiBand Pro. This smart fitness band not only tracks your workouts, but also gives real-time feedback to improve your form. Say goodbye to injuries and hello to peak performance. Last but not least, the Air Pen. This lightweight portable air purifier fits in your pocket and ensures you're breathing clean air wherever you go. Perfect for city dwellers and travelers alike. So, which gadget are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one.